excited to show you guys these amazing clip-ins. These clip-ins are by Texture Crush. It's my new favorite brand ever for clip-ins, okay? And I'm not just saying that. Like, I've done one other video with them with some curly clip-ins, but y'all, this hair perfectly mimics our afro texture hair in a blowout form. So this hair is a blowout. In this video, you will get to see how this hair looks when you first get it, which I'm going to show you that now anyway, but installed, like the blowout look, which is super cute as well. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like when you flat iron it, and then of course when you do some like beach wave curls. And I did this with wine curlers and a flat iron. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install these clip-ins, how I style them, basically I'm giving you 3 style options. I couldn't help myself. I was just playing around with the clip-ins and decided to film. So yeah.
First things first, we have to take care of the foundation by twisting our hair. I decided to use the DOUX new product, which is Bonito Afro Balm. And I use this because it moisturizes the hair, it softens the hair, and it's not sticky. So I used this and just did some flat twists. As you can see, my parts aren't perfect. Nothing's perfect. I just wanted to make sure it was super flat so I can add the clip-ins.
The first track we are going to be putting at the nape. Isn't it called the nape? So this is the clip-in closed, and you just press on the outside or the ends and that opens it. So this is it closed. That's open. So we're going to open all 3, and we are going to place this as our first layer of hair. The longer track. This one has 5 clips. So this one is the longest one, and I like to use this on the biggest part of my head, which is in the center. The widest part of your head is usually ear to ear, so that's where we're going to put this.
So you just repeat those same steps until you get to your natural hair, and this is where we need to blend. I just took a small section, enough to cover up the track, which you don't need much, and especially because you don't want a lot of your natural hair out, because you don't want to have to flat iron it constantly, and you know, you don't want it to revert and look a hot mess and frizzy. So I try not to leave out that much of my hair.
I mean, come on. How natural does this look already? Especially because how they colored just like this ombre look where the roots are still dark, and then my hair just blends right in with how they did the color. Like, it's just amazing. I'm like so impressed right now. I can't even.
For the ponytail, since it's such a small section, I decided not to do twists. I just started putting the clip-ins where they fit, and I wanted to focus on the center. That way I can hide them once I pull this up into a ponytail. There's really no technique. I just did what felt right, so hopefully that makes sense.
That's what I'm talking about, because you see my hair is thicker than the track, so blending it is going to be the hard part, but we'll blend it.
Off camera, I did do a light blowout on this hair to blend my hair with the clip-ins, and I used the DOUX Most Def Texture Foam, and this just adds, you know, a little bit of a hold, and it controls the frizz because I don't want my hair to revert and look a hot mess. So I did that off camera.
And this is with no styling. I feel like a lioness. I can't wait till my hair gets this long and thick. Woo! I love the color they did. And they offer this service. Like, you don't have to do the coloring. They'll do it for you. This is just how it looks as is. This is the blowout look. And it looks super natural. I'm giving it off like SZA vibes right now.
And that is it for this video. Don't worry, this is going to be a 3-part video. I will be showing you how to flat iron this hair, or what it looks like flat ironed, in the next video. Don't forget, use my coupon code for these clip-ins and click here to watch part 2. It's literally going to be up in a second. All right, girls. Mwah.